This is the best mask ever because of it has a lip on the entire edge of the mask which prevents BBs from falling back on top of you. It's got the true color, it's got the small screen, and it's lightweight, and it has the fancy band with the two top straps. So that's what makes it the best. You don't really need a battery. It's got a built-in battery, which I'll probably replace if it goes bad. I got a warranty. Also, don't warranty it too soon because you can only get one replacement. So you got a 2-year warranty and it goes bad on day 5. You kind of, if you can, wait a long time. Wait as long as you can. Because like I warranted one mask once because it had a bad switch, and I could have left it because it ended up, all masks go bad over time. They start flickering. I should have warranted it way later, and then I still needed a replacement, so I kind of needed 3 replacements, but they only give you, they only give you an extra one, makes it two masks. So that's cool. Also, the band, the part that allows it to like set to a certain height when you flip it down. I wish they would stop having these 3 selections where you can have it forward, middle, or farther back on the band. Because when I always set it to be close as possible, it's a benefit. It has a secret feature where you can't set it to one of the little circular pegs. You would have to set it to the middle or back to be able to use the pegs. So since I have it forward all the way, it allows it to not use the like the ratcheting friction part. How it has a tension, it keeps your mask up instead of falling straight down. It's got an accidental sweet feature where I have it set all the way back so it's not in any of the pins, and it prevents it from using that the clicking pressure adjustment for the hold up. So it's a smooth feature. So if you take it out of the pins and use it like that, I think it'll last forever because it uses friction and it avoids the whole like clicking, like the friction part. It's weird how to explain because it's a smooth motion if you disable the pin leveling part. So because I have to, I think it's gonna last forever. Basically, I like this mask and it's got every feature I like. And I don't really care if it has the grind feature. I just want it to work perfect, and this is the best one. Also, it's lightweight. That's my #1 concern.
It's a quick review of the YESWELDER Helmet Pro. It's got the auto darkening feature. You can see the 2 sensors right there. And don't mind the headlamp in the front. I added that. That does not come with the helmet. I added that just to try to give myself some more light to see what I'm welding. You can see the adjustment knob there on the side. It does 9 to 13, and it has the grind option as well. So what I'll do is I'll put you inside this helmet. First I'll show you how bright this headlamp is that I'm going to be testing with. You can, sorry, I try not to make it too bad. You see how bright it is? So what I'll do is I'll put you inside the helmet and I'll show you how well it blocks out that light. Don't mind the cheater lens. I got that off Amazon. It's a 1.5 cheater lens. You can see the settings up top. Probably can't see them too well, but it's got a sensitivity and delay function, and there's the battery. That's where you can change the battery. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see there, but I'm going to put you in the helmet so you can see my hand there. So here goes the headlamp. That's what it looks like. Here we go. Look at that. Does it right out. Try it one more time for you. Let's see it adjust to it. You can see it off the screen there. It's nice and bright, and then right in the. Does a nice job. The auto darkening feature is great on this. The adjustment here, you can see you can adjust it across the top. It's got the little dial in the back to tighten it as you need to. Overall, this thing has been awesome, especially for the price. Couldn't be happier with this one. Great purchase.
My first welding helmet. I've yet to weld. This is my learning set. But from what it feels like, and I mean the quality of it, and for the price point, not bad. The adjustments are great. I mean, it holds its, the hood stays up when I have it on my head. When I was getting adjusted to fit me. Feels, again, I mean, you get what you paid for, so I mean, it's a little bit on the flimsy side, but again, for a novice welder who is learning and just doesn't want to spend the outrageous money right now on the name brand stuff, not a bad way to give it a try and go from there.
Real slow, too fast. Good job. Okay.
Doesn't come with the bells and whistles, but it's got 9 through 13 and decent visor.